Hello, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and what we have here is exactly what it says on the box. Addition of algebraic fractions. We've been asked to simplify this, i.e. do this addition and see what we get. Now, those of you who are familiar with fractions will know that by a strange quirk of the nature of fractions, that it's often easier to multiply or divide fractions than it is to add or subtract. Because where we don't have denominators that are the same as here, we have to do something about creating a common denominator. And that's one of the jobs that I'm going to set about doing. And I'm going to take a slightly roundabout approach to this to just to try and make it as simple as possible. So what can we do? Well, our new denominator is going to be this expression here multiplied by this expression, 5x minus 25 x minus 1. Now, cross multiplication means that we multiply these two. We multiply this expression here by this, which gives us 5x minus 25, because that's that, times 1. And we multiply this expression by this, which gives us 6x minus 6. And once we have that done, we can put this all together. Now, I said I was going to do something slightly roundabout. What I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize one element of the denominator, because I don't know, just in case, I suppose, is the old saying. See what I can find. This may or may not prove helpful, but there we are. You can see what I've done. I basically factorized this. At the very least, it might make sorting out the denominator a little bit easier. So now we need to sort out the numerator. And what we've got is we've got 6x and 5x, which gives us 11x. We can add those because they're like terms. Negative 6 plus negative 25 gives us negative 31. Now, I think this is a perfectly acceptable answer. But we can multiply these. So let's just do that. 11x minus 31. There's nothing here that will cancel, so we really are just tidying this up. 5 into x squared minus 5x minus 1 minus 6x, negative 5 times negative 1 plus 5. That's a slightly tidier answer. If you wanted to, you could go through and multiply the whole thing through by 5. I'd give a tick to either of those, and indeed one where you multiplied this through by 5. But that's the basic process. Now, just to go back up here, I didn't draw in the arrows, but what I did was I first of all multiplied the denominators, which doesn't necessarily mean that I multiplied them. I put them in brackets beside each other, which indicates that they are to be multiplied, but that is a common denominator for these two. And then I cross-multiply that by that, that by that. I get this on top. At this point, assuming that I got something that looked like something down here, I cannot cancel. Don't fall into that trap. What I need to do is I need to sort out what this says, And once I do that, I realize that there's nothing that I can cancel. So my next task really is to tidy up the denominator a little bit if I want to. Anyway, look, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.